Here we've got three numerical expressions that look very similar, and in the course of calculation we'll do some addition, division and multiplication. So let's have a look at how we work them, but before we do, maybe have a think about the answer for yourself. Is it 12, or is it 30, or is it something completely different? So in the first case we can see that we've got 6 plus 48 divided by 4 next to a bracket with 2. And when a number or an algebraic term is expressed in a bracket next to another term, it does mean multiplication. So this actually means 6 plus 48 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. We now need to consider the three operations that we can see: the addition, the division and the multiplication. Now division and multiplication come before addition, but we need to work from left to right. So we need to do the division first, then the multiplication, and then the addition last. So we'll do 48 divided by 4 first of all. So focusing on the division, we get 48 divided by 4 is 12. The next operation to consider is the multiplication. So we focus on the 12 multiplied by 2, and that gives us 24. And then lastly, we come back to the addition, and we have 6 plus 24, which equals 30. Now let's consider the case with a fraction. So we've got 6 plus, and then the fraction, which is 48 all over 4 multiplied by 2. Now when we've got a fraction involved in a numerical calculation, we need to consider the top line and the bottom line separately, as if they were actually in brackets. So the top line, if it was 48 in a bracket, there's not much you can do with that, it's just 48. But the bottom line is 4 multiplied by 2. So we do solve that first, and we get an 8. Now a fraction line is like divide, so once we've completed the top and bottom lines separately, it now becomes 48 divided by 8. And when we do that, we get 6. And our last operation to consider is the addition. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12.